Hello everyone, welcome back to 2-Minute Tips. Let's get started. Skip logic and display logic allow you to customize your respondent's experience by displaying or skipping certain questions based on previous answers. Skip logic allows you to send your respondents to a later part of your survey based on their answer choices. You can only send your respondents forward, not back to a previous question in your survey. Display logic is more complex because it can be used both on questions and answer choices. The conditions for display logic can also be based on embedded data, quotas, and more. Now that we understand what each type of logic does, let's look at how to implement them into a survey. To begin, let's go to our survey and select the question we want to set skip logic on. In this case, I'm asking the respondent what their favorite color is. If they select anything other than blue, I want them to skip to the end of the survey. To do this, once our question is selected, we will go to question behavior and select skip logic. We will then select the first dropdown to be where we want to skip to. The second dropdown will be the answer choice we want, and the third dropdown in this case will be is selected. All we need to do now is select confirm and we will see the skip logic appear in the survey builder. If we ever need to edit it in the future, we can click these three dots and then select edit conditions. Now let's add display logic. I only want respondents who chose blue to see the second question. So let's select the question, go to question behavior and click display logic. We will choose question for the first dropdown, select the question it's based off, and then choose blue as the answer choice necessary to view this question. If we would like to add more conditions, we can always click this green plus button on the right. If we would like to add multiple logic sets, we can click this drop down and choose move to a new logic set. For now, let's click save and see our display logic on our survey builder. Although not necessary for this specific survey, to add display logic to an answer choice, select the answer choice, click the down arrow, select add display logic, click add logic, and save once you're done. As we can see when previewing the survey, if any other color than blue is selected, you will be taken to the end of the survey. If blue is selected, you will see the follow-up questions. Before I go, I want to shout out the post that inspired this video. And that's it. Thank you for learning about display and skip logic with me today. Please remember to subscribe to the 2-Minute Tip category on the XM community so you never miss a video. And I hope to see you around the XM community.